Majestic Istanbul, the greatest European city, the cradle of civilization and the magical place where East and West meet each other. Millenniums of history, tradition, culture, and art are collected in this overwhelming city. One has to experience this magnificent melting pot at least once in a lifetime. Istanbul, with its thousands of years of history, unique architectural structures, rich cultural texture, millions of population and vibrant economic life, is an important center of attraction today as it was yesterday. History in Istanbul is not only in books and archives, but also in buildings, streets, cemeteries, parks, and gardens, even trees and plants, and the names of neighborhoods. Today Istanbul is Europe's most populous metropolitan area, with over 15 million residents and a fast-growing economy.